YouTube world, what's going on? It's Daryl Jones, and I'm back in the kitchen. So we're gonna whip up a good one today. We're gonna make chicken and shrimp stir fry with noodles, not rice this time. All right, I just like to switch it up. So let me go ahead and let me show you what I got going on, how I'm gonna prep things, how I have everything set up, and y'all could do it too. It's simple. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so here's what we got going. Of course, we got the chicken. So what I'm gonna do with this, of course, when I unpack it, I'm gonna dice and slice this whole thing up for y'all, all right? And I got the shrimp in some lemon water just to get it cleaned up a little bit. And then I got the frozen stir-fried vegetable mix. You could buy your vegetables if you want to, fresh, and then get ready to stir fry them, but I find it easier for the time to just go ahead and buy them frozen and just get ready to cook them. I got the noodles, stir-fry noodles. I've never used these before, so I'm gonna see how that goes. And we got the seasoning, basic. Your garlic, salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder. All right? So that's what we got going on. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So here go the chicken. All right, I cleaned it up already, and I washed it up. So here's what we're gonna do. Since I'm gonna use a stir fry, the shrimp and the noodles are gonna go together. But the chicken, I'm actually gonna throw this in the oven. So I'm gonna cut it up, and then I'm gonna place it on a cooking tray, seasoned, and I'm gonna have that ready for y'all. So let's go ahead and cut this up. And by the way, my mom got me a new knife set, so I'm gonna feel like a chef, but I gotta be careful because look at this. Watch, that thing clean cut. So let's cut this chicken up. Look how quick that comes off. And you don't gotta be a master butcher, but I've seen it done, and y'all can give this a shot. Nothing gets thrown away in the chicken. Absolutely nothing. Oh, and I'm leaving the skin on too. I like to leave the skin on, and the reason why is for the flavor. So don't think that you gotta throw the skin away. And if you don't want to eat the skin, that's fine. I'm not gonna eat the skin, but the skin adds the flavor. So when you finish cooking it, you can always just take the skin off. So to see how quickly I'm going through that, let's go through the thigh. Quick. And I like using these little hen chickens because it's just a nice little switch up from just having the chicken breast. Sometimes the chicken breast could get a little bit boring. But look how fast this is going through the chicken though. Like I said, nothing is gonna go to waste. I'm gonna use everything. Throw this in the oven, call it a day. Get ready to season this bad boy. An interesting fact, well, some of y'all may have known this already, but I didn't know that they actually, when y'all see chicken tenders, they actually use the chicken tenders from the breast. I had no clue. No clue. So as y'all can see, the chicken is cut up. I'm gonna go ahead and season everything up, and we'll be right back. was it. I hope you enjoyed it. That was a good one today. And I'm gonna say it again. When you're cooking stir fries, you will be in the kitchen a lot longer because it takes long, especially if you're prepping up for the week, okay? And don't forget, as you cook, you gotta clean. Let me repeat myself. As you cook, you clean. It makes things go by much faster, a smooth process in the kitchen, and you'll thank yourself for it, all right? So don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be throwing out some more videos for y'all in the kitchen pretty soon, okay? Enjoy, and thank you again for visiting my page, showing some love. It's always fun doing this for y'all.